Buenos días, estudiantes. Esta es la semana de junio 8, June 8. Y today and this week we're going to be learning about los sentimientos. ¿Qué son los sentimientos? Los sentimientos son feelings. When someone asks you cómo estás, they're asking you how are you? Or when someone asks you cómo te sientes hoy, how do you feel today? So let's quickly review some of the feelings. We have triste. We have feliz, enfadada. We can say enojada too. I say enojada. I know a lot of people will say enfadada. Asustado, enfermo, aburrido. And now let's start with pre-K. Let's start with pre-K. And pre-K, you're going to start with this song. La canción de la alegría y la tristeza.
Me siento bien, a veces me siento mal. Estar alegre o triste es normal, muy normal. ¡Qué guay!
Boys and girls, your vocabulary word for pre-K are sentimientos, which is feelings, feliz, which is happy, and triste, which is sad. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? Your assignment will be you will be talking about what makes you feel feliz and what makes you feel triste. You can draw the sentimiento in the air. For example, you say, oh, I feel feliz. Draw a circle, los ojos, la nariz y una carita feliz. And the same you do if you feel triste. Now, para los estudiantes de kindergarten, your new vocabulary words are feliz, which is happy, sentimientos, which is feelings, tener miedo, which is being scared, estar de malas is another way that we can say enfadada. We can say estoy de malas, estoy enfadado o estoy enojado. Y tener sueños when you feel like you're sleepy. You will be watching this video which is called Si estás feliz.
Si estás feliz, 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 aplaude así. Si estás feliz, 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 aplaude así. Si estás feliz, 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 aplaude así, aplaude así. Si estás feliz, 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 aplaude así. Si estás de malas, 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 zapatea.
I want you guys to follow along the song and practice the movement and gestures associated with each of the sentimientos. I also want you to tell family member how you feel today. Don't forget to use your Spanish vocabulary words. Feliz, tener miedo, estar de malas o tener sueño. Ahora, para los estudiantes de primer grado, your new vocabulary words, boys and girls, are sentimientos, which are feelings, feliz, happy, triste, sad, enojado o enfadado, angry, y asustado, scared. You will be watching this video today.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú cómo estás? ¿Y tú qué tal estás? Yo estoy bien, estoy muy contento, estoy nervioso, estoy orgulloso.
Boys and girls, after watching the sentimientos video, I want you to say how you feel in español. In a separate sheet of paper, I want you to illustrate a picture of how you feel today and write the complete sentence. Yo me siento, let's see if you feel feliz. Yo me siento feliz. Yo me siento triste. Yo me siento enojado. Yo me siento asustado. You're just going to pick one about how you feel. Ahora, para los estudiantes de segundo grado, your vocabulary words are sentimientos, feelings, triste, feliz, enfadado o enojado, asustado. You also have emocionado, which is excited. This is the video that you will be watching, boys and girls.
Las emociones, donde todo el mundo tiene que bailar. Vamos muy arriba, esos corazones, nuestros sentimientos quieren despertar.
Baila la tristeza,
Bajo la cabeza,
bailas a mi lado.
ya se me ha pasado.
Boys and girls, your assignment will be you're going to be identifying the feeling and scenarios. You're going to write the sentimiento that is associated with each of the following scenarios. I will just going to read one. You can go through the list and read it on your own. Number 1, I just finished all my work for the day. So how does that make you feel? You're going to write it down. Does that make you feel feliz, triste, enojado, asustado, o emocionado? So this is what you are going to be doing today. I hope that you enjoy all the activities and let me know if you have any questions for me. I will also have my read aloud, which is Así me siento yo. This is a really fun book and I know you will all enjoy it. I hope that you can send me a picture of your work because I like to see what you have been working on, okay? Nos vemos. Adiós.